Hi and welcome to another Free.volous episode. Today I'm bringing you the Look Fantastic Beauty Box unboxing for August. So inside it says Kalon, no idea, beauty that is more than skin deep, which should be all of it. First thing in the box is the Nails Incredible Glazing Over Lip Gloss. Long-lasting intense color gloss with no fuss and no drips. These ultra-hydrating glaze shades will battle your gloss dilemmas. Perfect as a gloss on its own or over your favorite lip color. With 5 different shades available this month, which one will you receive? I received Love Don't Hate, or _ Love Don't Hate. Be sure to exfoliate your lips before application to see best results on super smooth lips. Okay, ain't nobody got time for that, so let me just remove what I have in here, on here. My skin is acting up, so if this looks really bad and textured, yeah, it is. So let's apply this. I have a darker color. This does not match my eye makeup. So first impressions on the first swipe, the applicator does not come really saturated with product, so it feels a bit rough as soon as you swipe it all over your lips. You need to re-dip a bit, and it feels a bit like liquid lipstick more than anything, I would say. Already have some on my teeth. We have to keep the traditions alive. It's not as glossy as I was expecting it to be. It's more like, I don't know, a satiny, not a bit more glossy than satin, but not that glossy kind of a thing. And it's really pigmented. So yeah, interesting. Doesn't smell of anything to me, which I adore. Yeah, I'm curious. Maybe the nudie colors would be really nice. This is the kind of color you will not wear with your hair down on a windy day. Just say. It's a really nice color. It's my kind of color. I think it's more vampy, so a bit more for the winter, autumn time. Let's see how it goes throughout this video. Next product in the box is the Mio Boob Tube and Multi-Action Bust Firmer. Treat your décolletage with this rich formula that works to envelop skin in a veil of essential moisture that smooths and brightens the chest, giving you a youthful and radiant skin tone, rich in CoQ10 and packed full of amazing natural active ingredients which will benefit your skin and slow down any signs of aging. We love it! How to use: apply once daily from neck to below breasts in upwards motion. Suitable for use daily on all skin types from age 18 to 80. Why 18? BB tips: try applying after a shower whilst moisturizing your body. Your skin will feel unbelievably soft afterwards. Okay, so I'm all for the Caroline Hirons thing. Take it to the tits, whatever you apply on your face, take it down. And I don't see much need for dedicated products for the boobs, for the neck, you know. I just think it's a bit of a gimmick. Yet, I have it. I will try it. I'm not expecting extreme firming of anything because gravity is a very hard thing to counteract, you know, it's just science. But anyway, I love the Mio Liquid Yoga. Oh, that thing looked fantastic. You could put a bucket of it on a box and I would be so happy. So I am interested to know what happens. When it comes to texture, this sounded really pedantic. It has that kind of minty eucalyptusy scent that I recognize from the Liquid Yoga. It sinks in quickly. Yeah, it doesn't leave a lot of residue. Curious. Not too faithful, but curious, you know. Next product. Erno Laszlo Hydrophel pH Skin Supplement. Pamper dry skin after cleansing with this silky soothing toner. This gentle formula draws in moisture, eliminates dullness and helps with tissue repair leaving you with a super soft hydrated complexion. Shake and saturate a cotton pad with enough toner to cover face, avoiding eye area. You know, I've had a gripe with an Erno Laszlo product, which was basically alcohol, and fragrance. A few months ago, also from the box. This, weird, it doesn't say the same thing on the box that it says on here. It says Firm and Lift, Firm Marine Lift Essence Lotion, Firm Energize Hydrate Lift. A watery gel-like essence that tones, hydrates and energizes, leaving the skin appearing more youthful and fresh. This has hyaluronic acid. Yay! A good ingredient. And glycerin. Yay! A very affordable ingredient that is really good to moisture or draw moisture into the skin. It's a humectant. It doesn't seem as shocking in terms of ingredients, so I'll probably give it a whirl, but it's not the same thing that is described in the leaflet thingy. It is of a jelly consistency, and it kind of feels like those Korean and Japanese things that are a gel and that when you press it on they turn into water, but it doesn't. It's really lightweight. I can still smell the Mamma Mia. But this has a cooling shower gel scent to it. Again, nothing too exciting. Again, Erno Laszlo, I'm a bit torn regarding trying this out, but I will for you, and if my skin gets pissed off, it's your fault. No, I'm just kidding. The next product is, oh, make it smaller, why don't you? It's the Blink Brow Bar Mini Brow Build Indian Chocolate. Give yourself the illusion of thicker, fuller brows with this clever part gel, part cream brow mascara. This product will fill and color your eyebrows by attaching to brow hair, helping to fill sparse areas and creating a fabulously full and voluminous effect that will stay put all day or night long. Oh, it seems a bit light for me. I'll give it a whirl. It is quite a bit light for me. I have really dark brows. The applicator spoolie thing is a bit big, and it deposits quite an impressive amount of product, which I will have to, can you see this? This didn't do well. I'm not re-dipping at all. Yeah, it was more manageable on this side once you remove the excess. Oh damn it, I had a clump. Jesus. It's a thick texture. Oh, my brows look intense. Let's just take a spoolie. Wipe this off. I should trim my brows. Yes, I know that, but still. It looks quite thick, like pasty on the brows, which can be really nice for people who have really thin brows, but for me it just makes them look really drawn on. Hashtag not native, hashtag forgive. It already feels like it's drying, and if you're not really diligent in removing the clumps, you'll have some visible clumps on your brows. What do you think? I'm torn regarding this product. I think it has some merits, and I think it may be nice, but I have to learn to work with it. So first impressions, but I'll let you know next month. Next product is the Molten Brown Bath and Shower Gel, in my case, Ginger Lily. These deliciously fragrant shower gels are perfect to infuse your bathing and pampering routines with a little bit of luxury. Made in England, these scented gels are created with the finest ingredients and fragrances from the citrus, floral and aromatic to woody, spicy and marine collections, perfect for showering, bathing and relaxing. I think there's a comma missing somewhere. You can also use this as a bath bubbly thing. Oh, I like this. I like your scent. I'm taking you traveling with me. Let's go on holiday. It smells really good. I can't... It's floral, but it's fresh. It's not that kind of old school floral. I like it. It's a shower gel. Come on. Not huge expectations or miracle things here. Next product in the box is from Balance Me. Again, so many brands look fantastic. But anyway, this is the Pure Skin Face Wash. A radiance renewing, revitalizing formula that expertly cleanses skin without stripping moisture. Sorry. This gentle face wash will purify and refresh your complexion using some divine blends of grapefruit, frankincense and Roman chamomile oils. 99% natural in formulation. It will leave you with a bright and even skin tone. Balance Me is a brand that is really clean, really almost sort of green. It doesn't have a lot of those synthetic ingredients that kind of scare people. And it's, according to Caroline Hirons, really nice and reliable. I have used things from them that have come in other boxes that have been pretty nice. I haven't seen incredible results with the products. It's just my skin doesn't get worse. It doesn't feel bad in any way, but it doesn't improve. So I'll use the face wash, but I would look fantastic to stop with the face washes, because last month it was 2 face washes. Another one. At least you won't need to buy face washes for the rest of your life, as long as you have a subscription to look fantastic. These were the products. I'm a bit meh about most of them, but I'm curious enough to give them a whirl. As usual, I'll let you know next month. The overall value will appear around here somewhere. It doesn't seem like a very expensive box, but maybe the lip product and the Mio stuff is really expensive. I don't know. Anywho, let's jump into last month's products. The Filorga UV Bronze Après Soleil, the After Sun. This has a very intense scent. You know I have a problem when I don't like the scent, especially. And it does seem to have alcohol in it. It does have in the ingredients, so it evaporates really quickly, which is good because it's quickly absorbed by the skin, but at the same time I don't feel that it nourishes my skin enough, if that makes sense. It does feel nice. It makes your skin feel really smooth, and it leaves a small, slight, imperceptible sheen on the skin, which is because of the tint that it has. Would I buy it for the price? Not really. Next product in the box was the face cleanser by First Aid Beauty. As I said, I have used this previously. It's a really good, simple cleanser, no fuss and no sulfates, which is essential for me. I really like it, although I find these kinds of cleansers tend to leave my skin slightly dry, so I prefer to use this in the morning when I'm pumping my skin with hydrators afterwards. So yeah, I really like this cleanser, and if you're into a fuss-free product, this is one to go to. This and the Ultra Repair Cream are star products from this brand, and the pads, the acid pads, are really good. Next product was the Duxe highlighter, and as you saw with the application, it sort of emphasizes my texture here, and I have more affordable highlighters that don't do that. So just because of that, I wasn't a big fan. I will keep on using it, or maybe I'll pass it on to someone with smoother skin that will give this a better home. Skin home. The other product, this I really enjoyed, was the Lancer Omega Hydrating Oil. I have been using this quite frequently. I interchange this with other oils that I have. It is an expensive oil. You must have noticed the price. And to be honest, I really enjoy this. It absorbs quickly, but it leaves your skin feeling really nourished. It's a really beautiful product. From the ingredients, I think this is pretty nice. And I'll keep gladly using it. I just use 2 drops at most and press it and roll them onto my skin. And it's just fantastic after hydrating my skin in the morning, or in the evening after more harsher treatments like retinols. You let them sink for about half an hour, and then you apply the oil, and it prevents sort of more harsh flaking of the skin. So it's a good all-rounder, I would say. Also mixing this with foundations that look a bit patchy can work. Yeah, I love oils. The last product, I think, no, the other product was the Kerastase shampoo. Again, I don't have color treated hair and I don't like sulfates, so I passed it on. The last product in the box was the SVR Laboratories, and this is another cleanser, so 2 cleansers in one box this month, another cleanser. But anyway, this may be amazing for people with really oily skin. I found this a bit too drying, but when I am having breakouts on my chin and jawbone, which is the area where I have my hormonal breakouts, this is nice to wash my face with. This is really inexpensive, but I wasn't really enthusiastic about it. That's just life, I think. So that's it. This was this month's box unboxing, last month's boxes products review. God, so many words. I hope you have enjoyed this video, you found it helpful. Let me know your impressions on the products on the comments down below. Leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget, if you haven't, do subscribe and support small YouTubers, and share my channel with people who may be interested in it. And thank you for spending your time on me, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!